Hello kids, today we are going to see how to draw and color an ambulance. Before we start drawing, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Come, let's start. First, draw a sleeping line. Second step is to draw a slanted line with curved edge, and that with sleeping line. Now again slanted line with curved edge. Draw a standing line. Now draw a small sleeping line and circle for the tire. Now we are going to repeat the same steps. First sleeping line, circle and another sleeping line. Now close that line by curves on both the edges and draw sleeping line parallel to the first one. Now draw a standing line. Draw a rectangle shape for the window. Now by using standing and sleeping lines, draw a plus sign. Standing line, sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line. Now draw another rectangle with one side curve for the front window and small rectangle for the side mirror. Draw two parallel curves for the steering. Circle and slanted line for the driver. Draw a small circle inside the big circle. Now inside the small circle, draw cross and plus lines. Draw rectangle shape for the lights. Small oval for the handle. Draw two sets of parallel sleeping lines. Draw small C curve for the headlights and backlight. In between the sleeping lines, write the word A, M, B, U, L, A, N, C, E, ambulance. Let's start coloring. Grey color. Yellow color. Red color. Sky blue color. Black color. That's it. It's very simple. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. In my next video, we are going to see how to draw and color a parrot. See you.